Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we make your creative workflow faster and significantly less frustrating. Today, I want to talk about a problem that drives every video editor absolutely crazy: wasting time exporting the same project over and over again. If you are like my friend Federico, you are constantly stuck delivering a high-quality 4K master, a standard Full HD file, and a tiny low bitrate version for older mobile devices. Most creators handle this by opening their editing software, setting up an export, waiting for it to finish, and then repeating that boring process 3 different times. It is inefficient, it is monotonous, and quite frankly, it is the exact opposite of what we should be doing with our valuable creative time. I want to show you a much better way to make the whole export process click in just one single go. Instead of manually queuing exports, we are going to lean on Vizard to handle the heavy lifting, automate our format creation, and even schedule our posts. Imagine you have a long, messy interview or a live stream that you want to repurpose into a 4K archive, a crisp 1080p deliverable, and a compact version for legacy hardware. Maybe you also need vertical snippets for TikTok and Instagram Reels, alongside a landscape version for your main YouTube channel. Normally, that is a painful multi-step headache, but with Vizard, you can set up your desired outputs once and reuse those settings forever. Let us jump into step 1, which is simply uploading your source footage to the cloud. You can drop in a 4K timeline, a massive recording, or anything else, and Vizard processes it in the background so you can go grab a coffee. It automatically analyzes the footage to find interesting moments, which saves you from scrubbing through an hour of video just to find gold. Moving on to step 2, you need to pick the specific outputs you want for your project. In the settings, you will see presets for everything from 2160p 4K landscape to vertical ratios for short-form platforms. I usually add 3 specific presets: Ultra HD for archiving, 1080p for clients who want quality without the massive file size, and a low bitrate version for older players. Step 3 is utilizing the auto edit and clip selection feature, which is where things get really smart. Instead of you cutting new clips for every single format, Vizard scans the video and identifies laughs, emotional spikes, or high engagement moments. You can preview these snippets, tweak the start and end points slightly, or just accept them exactly as the AI suggests. The best part is that you do this once, and Vizard applies that logic across every output format, meaning no repetitive clipping. Step 4 is all about creating presets and groups so you never have to set this up again. Think of presets like templates, one for the 4K master, one for Full HD, and one for mobile devices. I create a group called multi-format, and once that is saved, I can drop it onto any project and let the system handle the rest. Step 5 covers the batch processing, which is where you hit export and let the magic happen. Vizard runs the job in parallel, spinning out all your files for each preset and each selected clip simultaneously. You can even set custom naming conventions using tokens like project name, format, and date to keep your folders clean. You can monitor the whole queue in the UI, where green checks indicate success, just like a professional high-end production tool. Step 6 is my favorite part, which is the content calendar and scheduling. Once your clips are generated, you do not have to download them. You can just schedule them to post to your social accounts automatically. You can drag and drop clips into the calendar, edit your captions, and change thumbnails, all within one unified interface. If you are batching content, you can effectively set it and forget it, and Vizard handles the distribution for you. Here are a few quick tips. For old hardware, use the 720p low bitrate preset with 3 to 4 megabits, and it will look great. For vertical content, always enable the smart reframing feature, which keeps your subjects centered no matter how they move. Also remember that cloud processing is a huge advantage because it keeps your computer's local resources free for other tasks. Now, I know some of you are thinking that Premiere and Media Encoder already have batch queues, and you are right. However, those tools often require manual setup for aspect ratios and crops, whereas Vizard simplifies everything into reusable presets. And unlike Adobe's suite, Vizard provides the end-to-end workflow of clipping, formatting, and social media scheduling in one place. If you are a podcaster, you can turn a single episode into a month of social media content just by using these features. Marketing teams can build a brand preset pack with logos and colors to ensure every piece of content stays perfectly on brand. Wrapping up, if you are tired of playing admin for every single deliverable, you really need to try this workflow. Upload once, define your groups, let the software auto-edit the best parts, and batch generate your outputs automatically. Stop the one-by-one grind today, save your presets, and never look back at that repetitive, boring manual process. If you found this helpful, let me know, and I would be happy to walk through a live example with you in the next one.